I started Home Mechanix because I always wanted to have my own business. My current job kind of led me to it, whether I wanted to or not. My dad's always had his own business my whole life, and I'd always been in the construction industry most of my life. And HVAC is a cool trade. We get to see a little bit of everything: electrical, plumbing, sometimes some carpentry, unfortunately. You name it, we get to do it. And we're also end up being the guy that somebody comes to fix that weird problem. And in the HVAC trade, we kind of fit under a lot of hats. And I'm a bit of a firefighter. I like to put out fires. So when somebody calls me and says their heat isn't out, their cooling is out, or any other number of issues, I like to go put out that fire. Having my own business let me do that on my own terms. Every customer is my boss now, but I don't have to report to anybody directly, which is good for me. I can build a business the way I want it. I can have the employees I want to work with. The employees can be treated the way I want them treated. I can take care of the employees the way I want. I can buy the tools that I want to use. I can buy the vans that I want to use. I can wear these nice Carhartt shirts that we like to wear. You name it, I'm allowed to do it. My dad had always had his own business, and so I'd always been around it. I knew what it was going to take. It's a lot of work. And HVAC trade, being on call in service, same thing. It's really hard to have that life balance, but to me it's worth it just to be able to call my own shots. I thrive in that. I like to work. That's what I like to do. My family is taken care of by it. My family understands it. My kids like to come play in my van. My little son recognizes the little house, and he notices that says it's daddy. At this point, Home Mechanix is my life, next to my family. I wouldn't have it any other way. Life led me to Home Mechanix.